Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be doing an art challenge where I do a portrait painting in an hour. And it's great because a friend of mine was moving and I got gifted all these tiny little canvases. So it's perfect because to do this painting with like a small time frame, having too much surface area would just make it impossible. I've got a lot of really kind of like frantic energy today. I can't seem to pull myself into a focused spot, so I don't really have a lot of high hopes for what I turn out today, but that's fine. We're going to be doing some stress-free, no pressure challenges and studies for a while I just kind of focus on expanding my abilities as an artist and not putting too much pressure on myself to create masterpieces every time. I'm trying to stick to that. Got my candle lit, I've got my tea, and I've got Pinterest. So I haven't decided what picture I'm doing yet. Let me pull up Pinterest. I have a board of like face references that I just add to on a regular basis. And I definitely don't want black and white because I don't want to have to take the time to figure out what colors to stick on a black and white image. I don't want it to be too washed in one color. That's a good one. I like that one. Okay. A lot of these I like, but then there's like a delicately placed hand somewhere, and for an hour I don't have time to mess with a hand, so it needs to be a face. No, I think I want to go with that first one I scrolled past that I liked. It's always the first ones, right? Cool. I'm gonna pump my paint and we'll get started. Now, if I really want to challenge myself, I will finish filming and edit and post to YouTube all in one day. That should be okay. Putting this frantic energy to use. The first things I want to do, and I'm kind of getting ahead of myself here, is sketch this out. I'm sketch directly on the canvas. I'm going to use black, but a very thinned black. So I'm using Gamsol to thin this out to do a sketch. This is terrible. Okay. The beautiful thing is I can erase it. Okay, I think it's time to start laying in some color. We'll see. Alright. I've got 30 minutes left. This is stressful. Finishing touches. Feel like that part in like any game show, it's like designers, bakers, whatever. Finishing touches, plate, garnish, whatever it is you're supposed to be doing, do it now. So, alright. Actually still got 15 minutes. I'm not doing too absolutely terrible. Alright y'all, that is my 1 hour painting challenge. I have a few takeaways I want to discuss with you. I And first of all, I'm surprised that I got this much done. This is pretty impressive even to me. I did not think, especially in the first half, I did not think I was going to get this much completed within an hour. So that's really cool to know that if I force myself to, I can really put something down, something that has a lot of dimension and is a great base to work off of. But just so we can compare, I pulled this painting from the wall because the color palettes are so similar, but this is like 15 hours of work versus 1 hour of work. So it really makes a difference when you put the time and effort into your paintings. So if anyone else has also done this challenge, I would love to see your work, so pop a link in my comments. Let me know how it worked out for you. If you've got any other suggestions for art challenges as I enter into this phase in my artistic journey, please put those below as well. I've got some ideas for my next ones, but always willing to take on some suggestions. I'm just like tapping this thing. This is not a good way to treat your painting, and I'm obviously still feeling that frenzied energy. Alright guys, really love hanging with you today and doing this fun art challenge. So if you guys stay tuned, I will have more challenges for you. Have a good day. Bye!